Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix smart lock not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart your device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. If you want to fix this problem, so click on app list and search Google from here. Click on Google and click on storage and cache if you want to fix this problem. So clear cache Google service. After clear cache Google app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. You will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last option is reset all setting. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and reset all settings. Reset, enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix smart lock not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.